How to fix YouTube videos not uploading as shorts. So if you're trying to upload a video on your computer, and if the video is being uploaded as a regular long form video and not a short, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. So you can see at the moment that I've just uploaded this video, and we know this is a long form video because down where it says video link, this should basically have some text here that says short. You can also click on the video link, and as you can see, this is a long form video instead of a short. Now, to go and fix this, there's a couple of things we need to do. So the first thing is you need to make sure that your video is under 60 seconds in length. So you can see at the moment my video here is 1 minute 36, which is too long to be uploaded as a short. So what I'm going to do is just trim this down to make sure it's under 1 minute, and that's the first requirement to uploading a YouTube short. Now you also need to make sure that this video is set to the correct dimensions. Now if I go and click on ratio, you can see I can change the aspect ratio. Now we need to make sure that this is set to 9:16, and this is basically the resolution for a portrait video. So in terms of actual dimensions, you need to make sure that this is 1080 by 1920. Once you've done this, you can go and click export in the top navigation, and then you can just go and export your converted video. So once your video has been exported, we can come back over to YouTube and we can try re-uploading it. You can see now that this video has been identified as a short, and you know this because the video link has shorts in the URL. So that's how to make sure your video is uploaded as a short. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.